Hey, it's Gene the Spa Guy again with another video segment on building hot tubs, swim spas, or plunge pools. Keep in mind that the build process is the same for all three water vessels. The only difference is how they are outfitted. In this clip, I'm going to cover the basic steps to building a hot tub. The rest of the details are all found in my information package that you can get online. Once you've read through the books in my information package, you're going to have a pretty good idea of what you want to build. So your first step is going to be to identify the area you want to put your project. The project starts by preparing and pouring an insulated concrete pad that's reinforced with rebar and wire mesh. While you're waiting for your concrete pad to cure, you can prepare all the blocks that are going to be used in your walls for the jets and for the suction and return lines for the pumps. While building a block wall may seem like a daunting project, I can assure you that you have the skills to do it. The only difference between you and a mason is how fast you get it done. Some of your block courses will have piping installed. Some will be for the jets, some will be for the suction and returns. These are all pre-made. Walls for a swim spa or for a plunge pool will typically be a little longer than the spas for a hot tub. These longer walls will require some extra reinforcement. Once your spa walls are completed and cleaned down, you'll be ready for the waterproof coatings. In my spa building book and on my videos, I cover the product that we use for waterproofing and how to apply it. With the waterproof coatings on and cured, you're ready for your finished coatings. For some spas, that'll be just a spa paint. For other spas, it'll be tile, or you can use a combination of tile and spa paint. Cement block is very porous and absorbs water. Once your walls are all finished, you want to put a couple coats of a waterproof product on the outside of the walls to keep them from absorbing water. The next step of the project is the plumbing. For some of you, this might seem a little bit scary. In my book, I give you a step-by-step, goof-proof process on how to work with PVC plumbing and how to glue it. For some of you, the plumbing part of this project may be more than you want to take on. In that case, hire a plumber and I'd be happy to work with him on your behalf. Whether your spa is round, square, or rectangular, the plumbing process is pretty much the same. And again, I'll work with your plumber to make sure he gets it done right. Once your spa is completed, we want to check for leaks. This is either done by a static water test or pressure testing lines, or both. When the water testing process is complete and you're satisfied that there are no leaks, it's time to insulate your spa. One of the best ways to insulate is to spray foam the entire outside before you backfill if your spa is in-ground. If your spa is freestanding, you can insulate the spa by building a frame wall around the entire perimeter and insulate each one of the panel sections with 2-inch thick closed-cell foam board. Once the frame wall and insulation process is complete, you can sheathe the entire exterior part of the wall with a decorative exterior sheathing and trim it out. This video clip has given you an overview of the basic steps for building your own spa, hot tub, swim spa, or plunge pool. There are of course a lot more details you need to know, and I cover all of these for you at length in my spa building books and in my spa building videos available online at www.custombuiltspas.com.